In this video, I am going to show you how to publish a bot in Bitget. 1. Navigate to the Copy tab and select Bots from the menu. Then go to My Bots and choose the Active Bots page. Locate the bot you've created that meets the publishing requirements. You'll see a Publish button next to it. Click on the Publish button and you'll be prompted to edit the sell price, which is required for publishing. Additionally, you can choose the applicable markets and provide bot info, although these are optional. Just note that sell price is mandatory, while applicable markets and bot info are optional. You have the flexibility to edit or add more information later on the bot sales income page. To view your subscribers after publishing, you can view your subscriber details. Go to the Income Statistics tab and select Bot Sales. In the Bot Sales section, you'll find details of each subscriber. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.